In 2024, a tiny creator turned a simple clip into a global meme engine, revealing how culture travels faster than ads. They nailed timing, remixability, and community prompts, turning laughs into loyalty and sponsorships into story arcs. Behind the numbers, the real secret was a daily ritual of listening, testing, and pivoting as audiences shifted from TikTok to YouTube Shorts. Audiences saw authenticity, not perfection, and brands followed, not the other way around, crafting partnerships that felt native. This is the blueprint. Observe a trend, seed a fresh twist, and let the community carry the momentum.